With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So the question is that pollination can be divided into 3 types, and the options are: it depends on the source of pollen, it depends on the type of pollen, it depends on the agency of pollination, and it depends on the environmental conditions. So basically the pollination that is also defined as the transference of pollen grain, transference of pollen grain from anther to stigma, is called pollination. Okay, now according to the source of pollen, basically pollination is of 3 types. The first one is called the autogamy. The second one is called the deuterogamy, and the third one is called the xenogamy. Xenogamy is basically also known as cross pollination. This autogamy is known as self pollination, and this is known as cross pollination. So autogamy is basically the transference of pollen grain from anther to a stigma of same flower of the same plant is known as autogamy. Deuterogamy is basically the transference of pollen grain from anther to a stigma of 2 different flowers of the same plant, whereas xenogamy is basically the transference of pollen grain from anther to a stigma of 2 different flowers of the 2 different plants. So pollination is of 3 types, and it depends on the source of pollen. The correct answer is the first one, that is, it depends on source of pollen. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.